again. Grand Rising world. Grand Rising. So, y'all join me with these seeds. So we're going to plant them. Plant them, right? Using bottles that was recycled throughout the year. Simply taking a bottle and cutting it in half. Just like this. Then after we cut, we're gonna put them in the box like this. As we cut off two sides of the boxes. To use for handles, we need one more. Oops, here's one more. Maybe that's it. Nope. Like this. Then we're gonna put soil in them. Come with me. Okay. So we're gonna use some of this soil here, and we could actually simply just take one by one and scoop. You should go after me. She should go. I should go. Fast-paced motion so we can get the job done. One. I already did 3. We should be doing one by one. I'm going to put about 2 seeds in here. It's kind of feel like this is going to be too deep. I don't want them that high. Gonna just go stop it there. I don't want to make them too high because it's going to take too far to come out of the pool, I suppose. Okay, I have 3. She has about 3. So we're on track with this. Scoop. You can use any type of bottle. Water bottles, Powerade bottles, orange juice bottles. Doesn't matter. We're just going to fill them up. And that paper that's hanging over there, that's a little distracting. You can take that off and send them away. Of course, don't need nothing extra here. Alright, so that's one down. Just wait on her here. She'll be back. And then we'll count our seeds up to see what we got. And how many we're going to fill up today. We saved a lot of plastic. So, oh y'all, look at that pollen coming back. Pollen. Look at Mama Bird. She's always here for spring. Her kinfolks. Some more things. I'm gonna head over there. She should be out the way by the time I get there. And we'll have another box. And then hopefully we'll get through this plastic. It shouldn't take long. I'm telling you, take those phones away from your teenager. They are so helpful. They are so helpful without a phone, guys. I'm telling you. We're all about done with this, guys. You don't have to sit around and procrastinate or go ahead and get loaded. Let's see. Let's check out what she's doing. Something like this. I'm just going to cut this in half, like I said before. With these sizes, I'll put multiple seeds in them. It's junky? Like what? Yes, you can. That's not true.
Just like this? Yeah, but they're going to kill each other.
Oh, no. How?
Because the roots are going to kill each other.
What do y'all think? Y'all think that the roots, did y'all hear what my daughter said? Do y'all think that the roots are going to entangle each other? If I put multiple ones in here, like one on this side and one on this side? I was told by an elder that's what to do. But a youngin here, she said it's not going to work. So we're going to try it out on some of them to see, because I don't know either way. And it's all trial and error for me. So we'll see. What y'all think? Should I poke holes at the bottom of these things? I know these right here, maybe I could just unloop the top a little bit so water can drain out. What would y'all do? Would y'all have holes in these? What about? Alright, so we're gonna try to just stick to the littlest ones first. So we can just have one seed per container. So we can better track how the roots may or may not get interrupted if we do so big. We'll just have to see what happens. The big ones maybe we can use for something different. Not sure what, but we'll figure it out. I'm gonna cut the big ones in this one so we just keep them separated. Hopefully, guys, we get a big harvest this year of watermelons. I don't think we should still cut though, just so we can have them already prepared. I won't have to do the trash twice. See, because we're putting them there, and then that's on trash. And then these are the ones we have. But I know we have far so many seeds that we're not gonna be able to pre-prep on today. We have other things to do.
I'm gonna go put soil in these.
Huh?
I'm gonna go put soil in these.
Right behind you. It's to fill it up first. You can get right behind you some more. And this one on the ground right by the box. Sometimes if you take the top off, it makes it easier. Why'd you have to do that? I didn't fail you through it.
I didn't even throw it down.
What do you guys think? Did she throw that or did it just fall? Because there's nothing to fall on, it's the ground.
It dropped down there.
Ooh, this Listerine so strong, y'all. I might should rinse this out. I don't know if we want no Listerine watermelon. So strong. I'm thinking of that.
Chemicals.
Alright. We'll go clean these out. What if the roots go all the way down here though? Too. Like what if the roots get into that part? Yeah, but then how are we gonna get it out?
Like that. Or just
Oh
put it
yeah, we're
straight
gonna
in the
be
ground.
emptying up.
No, just put it straight in the ground. Or you can
I
just
wanna
cut the
use that
sides
one.
after you water it.
Cut off the side.
No, you could just water the plant so it can all stick together.
Mm-hmm.
And just tap the sides and dump it
We
out.
can even use these right here and put some soil in here, and we are. You know, you can use a Ziploc bag as well. We got a lot in Africa. We use like the water bags where you drink the water, and we use those. I'm not gonna use that. I'm gonna clean that.